How to fix Google Chrome search engine changing on Android phone. Hello guys, in today's video I'm gonna show you how to fix Google Chrome search engine changing on Android phone. First open settings and then scroll down until you find here, not here, just open Chrome, and then click these three lines here and click settings and then scroll down, scroll until you find search engine, and here just select any search engine you want. Here just click on it and it will be saved. Click on it and go back, and that's it. And that's it for today's video. Your problem must be fixed, and don't forget like and don't forget subscribe, and thank you for watching this video until the end, and see you in the next video.